Hi everyone, what if you are using Trojan Bot but only doing basic trades? Then you are missing some powerful features. In this video, we will look at 3 points, 3 important tools like sniper mode, MEV protection, cross-chain trading tips. I will explain them in a very simple way so even beginners can understand. But before starting the video, if you haven't joined Trojan platform, you can use our referral code CryptoWhalexx, which is being displayed on the screen, or you can also sign up through our referral link, which is available in the description of the video. If you join through our referral code or our referral link, you can save money on transaction fees forever. So what is Sniper mode? Sniper mode is a feature designed to help traders enter or trade quickly when a new token becomes available. Instead of manually buying a token the moment it launches, the bot can prepare the order ahead of time. This can help reduce delay during very fast markets. Okay, so how sniper mode works? The basic idea is very simple. You provide the token contract address and set your trading parameters, like for example, this is the coin. Okay, and here you can select your uh, buy amount as well as the sell amount, slippage level and priority fees. Once the token becomes tradable, the bot sends the transactions automatically. So what is MEV? MEV stands for maximal extractable value. In simple terms, it like refers to the situations where some automated system try to place transaction around yours to profit from price movement. Okay, so this can sometimes cause traders to get worse prices. So why MEV protection matters? When protection features are available in trading tools, they help reduce exposure to this situation. This can make your trade execution more stable and predictable, especially during basic network activity. I have explained how to access this MEV protection in my previous videos. You can check for this in the previous videos. So uh, let's talk about cross-chain trading basics. Many traders start on one blockchain, but opportunities exist on multiple networks. Cross-chain trading simply means interacting with tokens across different blockchains, not just one. Okay, so different blockchains have different ecosystems. Some may have new token launches, some may have higher trading volumes, and some may have different communities. Exploring more than one chain helps traders discover opportunities in more markets. So Trojan bot has many powerful tools, but success comes from using them carefully and managing risks. If you want more beginner guides on Trojan and crypto trading tools, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next tutorial. Till then, goodbye.